Hi everybody, it's Reina with Double TI and I want to show you this delicious cologne. It's the Versace Pure Homme and this cologne belongs to my husband, but I'm literally in love with this cologne and he adores this perfume. It's because of the scent of this cologne. It's a combination between floral and citrus like lemon, and it's a real fresh cologne, so I really recommend it for summer or spring, and especially for young men. My husband uses it every day, and like you see here, he has still plenty left. And it's very durable cologne, and also the border is very beautiful, and I can say it's travel friendly also. So I literally recommend this cologne if you want a fresh cologne for everyday use. And that is my point of view.